In today's lecture, Statistics, chapter number 3, Central Major Tendency, we are going to learn one more method to find mean. First of all, we have take a revision of the first method, very easy method. Example number 1 is given to you. Find the average temperature of week 34, 38, 42, 44, 39, 40 and 41. Such type of averages is average temperature is given to you. From this temperature, you first have to put a formula. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n. Sigma x means the sum of all observation which is divided by the number of observation, and then you get x bar is equal to 39.71. Okay, now from this I will give you some homework. Example number 2, directly find mean. 2.5, 2.9, 3.78, 5.12, 6.02, 4.0, 5.11, 5.78, 9 and 8.88. And example number 3, find mean. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 6 by 5. Okay, you have to do these two homework, these two sums in a homework. Now we just move on a second method. Equation number 2 for finding the mean. Remember, when variable x and frequency f is given in sum. Okay, variable is denoted by
X.
x and the frequency is denoted by
F.
okay. So in the sum you have given x, f. So from these two words, these two columns, you have to find fx. Okay, sometimes some teacher like what x की जगह पर वो लोग xi भी लिखते हैं, f की जगह पर वो लोग fi भी लिखते हैं और fx की जगह पर fi xi भी लिखते हैं. दोनों सही है. Clear? Now, after preparing these two columns, the total of f, the total of sigma f, f is denoted by sigma f, otherwise n, and the total of fixi is denoted by sigma fixi. After finding both the total, you have put the equation x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi or sigma fi xi upon sigma n. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, from this, we have a sum number 1. Example number 1. Find mean of marks in different subject. Okay. How many total subjects is given to you?
6.
6
Six
subjects.
subjects. Okay. Remember one thing. The value which is given in a sequence mode 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसी sequence mode में अगर जो value दी है तो it is denoted by always x and the changeable value is always denoted by f.
Frequency.
Okay, so now we have to prepare a column here x 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and the frequency f is equal to 89 37 40 64 91 and 75. Okay, can anyone tell me the total? टोटल करके बोलो जल्दी।
सर 396।
किसका टोटल 396 था बेटा?
यस सर।
Okay, 396. Now you have to find the multiplication of fx. तो 89 into 1. चलो 37 2 जा
74.
74.
74 जल्दी आंसर बोलो 40 2 जा
120.
120।
40 3 जा 120 64 into 4
236.
फिर से करो 64 into 4
256.
2
56 ना
Yes,
Yes, sir.
56।
91 into 5
455. 455.
455.
455.
455।
and 75 into 6
420.
450।
450.
450 वेरी गुड। चलो इसका एडिशन बोल दो कितना आया
144. 1444.
1444।
1444.
okay very good now after completing of these two addition you have to put a formula here x bar is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f so our answer is now 1444 divided by 396 and you have
3.65.
फिर से
3.64.
3.665.
3.65।
ओके देखो 3.64 उसके बाद डिजिट कौन सी है
6 है
6 है सर।
6 है ना तो आगे वाली वैल्यू आपको चेंज करनी है सो योर आंसर इज x bar is equal to 3.65 is it clear all
यस
Yes,
सर।
sir.
यस सर।
yes sir.
यस सर।
राइट इट डाउन लिख लो अभी लिख लो अपनी नोटबुक में लिख लो एंड प्लीज स्टार्ट योर कैमरा this formula is very important formula to find the mean and we will use it each and every method okay now example number 2 find mean value for following data now
સર
yes
આપણે 9th 10th માં જે પેલા ગ્રાફ ના ગ્રાફ ની ટેબલ ડ્રો કરતા હતા એવું હવે આમાં નહીં આવે ને કે આવશે
આવશે ને
આવશે
10th ની અંદર તમે જે પેલી ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરતા હતા ને x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon n into cr કરતા હતા ને
હા હા
આ બસ એ આના પછીની ફોર્મ્યુલા આવશે
ઓકે એટલે પેલી કોમ્યુનિટી ફ્રીક્વન્સી ને એ બધું આવશે ને આમાં
હા ક્યુમ્યુલેટિવ ફ્રીક્વન્સી ને બધું આવશે
એટલે કમ્યુનિટી ફ્રીક્વન્સી સુધી તો આપણે 10th માં આવ્યું હતું, તો હવે 11th માં એનાથી પણ થોડુંક ડિટેલમાં આવશે.
Jenny, just a minute, Jenny. Okay, x is equal to number of days, then frequency fi, it's a cell. 152, 160, 172, 180, 145, 130, and 175. Now, from these, you have to find first of all fx and the total of fx, and after finding these two, you have to put a formula here. X bar is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. You can write like sigma fx upon n also. Okay, now do the sum fast and answer me. Chat option में मुझे आप आंसर भेजोगे. Now example number 3, find mean. You have to do this sum by yourself and as fast as you can. Hundred and 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, and 140. And your frequency value f is equal to 8, 12, 14, 26, 30, 41, and 56. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, मैंने आपको पहले समझाया था कि भी जो आपकी x वैल्यू, वेरिएबल वैल्यू x है, वो एक कंटिन्यू सीक्वेंस में होनी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर देखो आपको मैंने 5 5 के गैप में दिया. 110 5 प्लस 5 प्लस 5 प्लस, तो इट इज आल्सो वैलिड वन. ये भी एक वैलिड फ्रीक्वेंसी ही है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड fx वैल्यू, देन आफ्टर पुट द फॉर्मूला. क्लियर? चलो फास्ट.
Yes, sir.
સર 750 x નું.
શું બેટા?
સર ચેટ બોક્સમાં લખો.
हाँ.